Actor Siddharth Arora, who left an impression on us with his performance in Doli and Manuki, will soon be back on television screens. The lad has been roped in by the makers of Zee TV's Meri Saasu Maa. Earlier, there were reports of Siddharth Arora replacing Puri, owing to which fans of Puri were disheartened when reports of him quitting his Zee TV show Meri Saasu Maa started doing the rounds. But the actor pacified his fans when he revealed that his exit from the show was a temporary one. According to sources, Siddharth is a completely different character. He is not replacing Pearl. The story will be running in such a way that the lead man will eventually return. A good news for fans indeed. So what do you feel on this story? Leave your comments below. And for more television updates, subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.